Here is how to use an Instagram follower bot to grow your account instantly in 2026. Let's begin. Once you're on the homepage, just click Login and use your Google account to get started immediately. It's the fastest way to set up. Next, you need to add some balance to your account. Go to the Deposit section. You can top up using your card, crypto, and a bunch of other options. The funds show up right away. Now, go to New Order. Click the search bar and type Instagram followers. You'll want to choose the first option. It costs about $11.33 per 1,000 followers, which is great for the quality you're getting. From here, just add your Instagram profile link, make sure it's public. For this test, we're only going to do 100 followers to show you how it works. Type that in, next tap Order Now, and you're all set. The system handles the rest. All right, here's how it went and the metrics we got in. I refreshed my profile after about 10 minutes, and as you can see, those new followers hit the account perfectly. It's a clean, instant delivery. Now, a quick heads up on the risks. Using an Instagram follower bot is technically against the TOS, so don't go crazy and stay under the radar. If you want to try this out for yourself, go to Nizop using the link in the description below. It's the best way to get that initial social proof. Like and subscribe if this helped you out.